Hey guys, Rich here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Hey, I'm out riding the Aventon Level 4 today. Enjoying this sunshine here in Florida. Got to enjoy some of the humidity as well. Had a good rainstorm yesterday, so the humidity level is up pretty good today. Oh, we can cross right here. This is a dangerous road right here. Got to kind of be careful with it, but look, hey, we can cross again. Nice. We appreciate Aventon sharing the Level 4 with us, giving us a chance to test it out, ride it some, review it. It has proven to be a really nice bike, so we've been really happy with that. It's a pretty sweet ride for a commuter style, thin tire. Emma, be real careful going past this guy. Our laws here have changed significantly recently, so. Hello. We'll slow way down for pedestrians is the responsible thing to do. Yeah, so anyway. Man, crazy noisy. What's up with that? There we go. Let that guy come on out because we're going to take a left. We're going to go through the 7-Eleven parking lot right here. It's a Saturday, so it's a little busy. We'll just zip through here. That guy's going to lose his palm tree. You see that? The truck carrying a palm tree, he's going to go deliver it to somebody and plant it because we don't have enough palm trees over here. Now we're going to have to follow this guy. Well, his palm tree is moving all over the place. What's up with that? It's rolling, I think, in the back of his truck. It kept shifting. And that's all right. See? Now he's turning, so it makes it look like it's moving, but it's not. That's just the truck, because it's in the truck. All right, here we go. We're going to get out here on this multi-use path because you can ride here, you can walk here, you can run, jog, you can do whatever you want to, I guess. Yeah, so the e-bike laws have changed. Oh my goodness, I know you are aware of this because that's all we see in the news these days. You jump online, it's all you hear about. It's all the e-bike laws changing and all the restrictions that people are trying to impose. And just last week, a couple of kids got pulled over by cops not far from where we are right now because they were riding e-motos on the street. And I tell you what, those e-motos, there's really only one place I have found that is legal to ride them. And it is definitely not in the street or on the sidewalks or anything like that. Hey, I'm going to stop right here real quick, and I'm going to show you the Aventon Level 4 real quick. Show you what I'm what I'm riding. This is legal because it's got a 750 watt motor, and I believe that was a 20 amp hour battery, if I'm not mistaken. We got the thinner tires. These are a street tire because it's a commuter style bike. Yeah. And of course you got all the, you got the basket and the fenders and all the other goodies as well that goes along with it. Aventon has really nice display. Show you that real quick if you can see it in the bright sunlight. I can see it with the naked eye just fine. Everything shows up, but sometimes on the camera it darkens it and it's harder to see. But that's just the camera. Yeah, so let's get on out here. So this has the, it's got the dual sensor swap, so if you want cadence mode or if you want torque sensor mode, it's got a really cool feature. If you didn't see the review video, make sure you go check that out, but we talked about the fact that you can lock the rear hub so that it won't turn, and it's an extra security measure, so somebody can't just grab it and roll it away and take off with it. They'd have to pick it up. So that's a really cool feature. I have not seen that before on any other brand. So I don't know if that's proprietary to Aventon or if it's just a new technology that's going to come out and other brands will get it too, but really cool that Aventon has it. It's also got an electronic battery lock where you can lock your battery and you can't get the battery out. So that's kind of cool. So Aventon is leading the pack with their technology, and they've always had really, really good products, I've heard, and this is the first Aventon product we've had on the channel, and it's impressive. And I tell you what, there's a lot of other brands out there that you could maybe compete with when it comes to price, but when it comes to features, they pretty much knocked it out of the park. Because I haven't seen some of these features on other brands, that's for sure. So it's packed with features to let you enjoy your ride. And of course, they've got other models as well. So they've got fat tires, and let's see, I think they've got a cargo bike, and I don't think they have a trike yet. I don't think Aventon has come out with a trike. There's a lot of brands that have come out with trikes over the last year and a half. I don't think Aventon has. At least I don't remember seeing one on their website. Oh, a little rough right there. There we go. You know, some commuter style bikes, they don't have front suspension. Oh, somebody lost our gummy worms. Some of them don't have front suspension at all. And that's been kind of a thing I've always said. I think every bike should have front suspension, because even on a smooth path like this, you can come across an area where it's real bumpy. And if you have rigid forks, man, it's easy to get bouncing and lose control, and it's uncomfortable. And so I appreciate the fact that they put forks on it. Yeah, so let's just slow down here, because this is a big bump here. That suspension handled it just fine, no? Oh yeah. Super nice. Yeah, I'll tell you what, so if you're interested in the Aventon Level 4, make sure you follow the link and check it out. If you have any questions about it, you can drop them down below. We'll try to get back to you. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, because we have entertainment, we have product reviews, we just go out for adventure rides with friends and family. We just have a good time, and we like to take you along with us as much as we can, so make sure you subscribe and follow along. Guys, I guess that's going to be it for this video, so make sure you ride responsibly, ride safe.